on out here? Wow. Not much going on here now. Oh, choppy waters. Hi, Scout. How you doing back there? Look like you have a neighbor. All right. What are you hanging outside? Ain't not too bad. Rain starting to come in. I can't see up inside that whole day, but nevertheless, really steady, and this shit is starting to come down. Okay, Alexis totally booed up. Nobody in the streets. What the hell am I doing in the streets? See this water over here. Fucking galvanized going off my shit. 1 gun, 2 gun. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, my picket tree fall down next to the back. Did you see that shit? The picket tree's right. Lord Father. Here she goes again. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Fucking way. I'm pissed off too. Alright? So give it to me. Give it up. I'm fucking pissed off. And your attitude and my attitude is no fucking different. So lay it on me. Show me what you fucking have. And I'll tell you who I am. You create me a mother cunt. Yeah. And I'm not fucking moving or hiding. I don't hide. And I don't move. I'm as fucking nature. What you have? Hello? Give me some more. What else you want from me? You take half of my fucking storage. I have a house and a bar too, you know. What you want from me? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, baby. Blow it up. So I'll go and take a fucking drink and smoke a fucking ganja. And then I'll get back to you. Please. Okay? Save some. Don't take all. Thank you. I'll be back. I need a fucking smoke. It's fucking hilarious outside there. Get pissed off. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm gonna cut off now and then I'm gonna smoke again. Yeah. Bye. See you soon. My window is fucked up. You see that? My window is fucked up. I just got in here about an hour ago. My window is fucked up. That's gonna fucking fall out soon. I hear something fall on the other side, so I'm gonna have a look. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Okay, now let's see the other side. What's so fucking galvanized? You see that galvanized? Oh my god, I'm flying over there by slow. Oh Lord help me, I don't lose mine like that. What's slow? Oh my god, it's coming in hard now. I missed that. When I trying to start the video, I missed that. Look at that. All my fucking plants are dead. Never mind. I'm here. Oh my god! I'm seeing that. Oh my god! Houses I never seen before. Oh shit. What the fuck? No, I'm gonna move. I'm going back to the front. I don't think there's much excitement here. I'm going back to the front. Whoa. What the fuck is going on in front here? Oh my god! What the fuck? The flower tree fell down. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Slow galvanizing my place. Oh my god! Watch my bar. Half of my bar is gone. Shit. Half of my fucking storage is gone. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That boat outside, eh? Oh, Lord Father. Is not gonna be there after now. Oh my god, did you see all of that? Did you see that? You want to pull me out the fucking window, this bitch. Oh, that's not a bitch, it's a he. Who the fuck is he? I don't like he's no more. I done with fucking he. My bar is open from the fucking back. My shed is gone. And all galvanized. Oh my god, my chicken coop. My chicken is in trouble. Did you see all of that? Poor my chicken. Oh Lord. I hear a galvanizer. My house is moving too. Oh my god. Look. My house. Oh my god. Look. This up there is moving. It's moving. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Oh shit. yes. It takes what? About 3 months? 4 months? Imagine what a Cat 5 hurricane can do to one. Look at my coconut tree. Remember that coconut tree? I'm so sorry. It died. It's standing, but it's like the living dead. There's no such thing like green. Gonna go back on that. Oh, look. Check my bar. Well, where you see them fresh wood and look like solar, I fix that back up because I need to have some kind of powerful status to carry on after this Cat 5. This fucking man they call Bolin or Bellin or whatever. And look at my bar. Imagine. The bitch or the sucker took all of it. But that's okay. I had some friend that helped me rig up half of the side. Fillet and Berwick, and another guy from Grenada came up just to give me a hand for the start, which was so cool. I didn't even remember him, but I remember the face, but not the name. A horrible name. Did I say that before? Okay, yes, never mind then. Okay, so this is this bitch, or this whatever you call it. This is leftover. Oh, look at that. Slow, forget about slow galvanized coming in my place. He doesn't really need it right now. Because top and toppling is what it's all about. Look at him. He just going into his castle. Check it out. He have a 1,000-gallon tank. Doesn't have a roof. Okay, so is my friend in the back. He looks okay, not too bad. This place is so bony right now. It's like I'm stewing back a neck. Oh, sorry. Yes, but yes, I have to, and I had to fix a few things. Until then, I mean, I don't know where I were and who I was doing, but I think I'm kind of seeing myself again. I just see the back of my bars like fresh, new door, new ply, and the rest of it is what was there before. I just rig it up. It's not very healthy. Frankly, it's about 45 degrees going south and the other and the rest of it going either between east and west. But anyhow, that's Swampy Jo. And now I add a little handle to it. Swampy Jo Hurricane Hole. Free internet. I didn't tell you. No, I can't tell you that, not yet. So you see what happened? You remember that dancing coconut? He danced until he died. Poor thing. He loved dancing. But I couldn't go to John. I can only film. And this guy here, I didn't remember watching him while this one was having so much of fun. But he's alive too. Yes, so I'm going to go from the inside and show you what was where I was drinking that drink and smoking that down joint. Now, okay, never mind. Window looks very healthy. Missing all of that. That's okay. Not, I need a new one. Oh, check this out. This one just went. I'm not too sure where it went, but it says bye. So, bye to you too. And yes, and the kitchen area, I think maybe had passed in here before. Oh, check this disgusting view. Look at that. Look at all that crap they trash in the pasture. All the junk of the land there. And they slowly take it apart and bring it elsewhere. Yes. So this is the kitchen side, window side, back there. Yeah. See what's cooking? Mm-hmm. Yes. No. I still haven't done anything in my house. As you see. Oh, my postings. Oh, look at them. Oh, all broken. I have some sexy ones. Ooh, it's broken too. Ah, shit. Oh. They're all broken. All broken up. At least I saved some in there. My goodness. Now this is what happened. Uh-oh. This is no good. This is what happened after this Berlin punk come up here in the swamp. This is where we catch water. This is water for washing. Yeah. Show the clothes in there. Look, I don't even have clothes. I'm talking shit, really. Look, that's wore some of my shit. Look. Trying to sort out who's good and who's bad, but everybody look bad to me. What do you think? This pile or that pile? Bad. And don't even go to the bathroom. You see that? What do you mean don't even go in there? That's exactly where we want to go. Holy caterpillar. Hey, there's my music. Stick in a shower, so let's excuse it. Oh, look at my shit. It's just not good no more. I need stuff. My son come to visit me. This is where he was staying. I wouldn't say the bed is good. Lost my window. All of that roof on that side. Did I? I didn't show you the roof, did I? Wherever you see in blue means roof gun. Is that a name or a slang? Roof gun? Roof gun sound like German. Roof gun. Yeah, roof gun. That's German. Yeah, all roof gun. So, this is where I used to live. Now, at night, the kind of squeak you're getting in here, you want to think there's a ghost town, which is perfect right now, frankly.